Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very interesting video because today we're going to talk about all what happened during the last few days. Press thumbs up, subscribe, and let's start. Basically, first of all, I'm very glad because of my last video which I made somewhere here. Here I told you that I'm going to sell a half of my Bitcoin portfolio as soon as it's only possible. So that was my flu range where I had a lot of limit orders, and I told you about this in my previous video, and I told you in each of my previous videos that I'm going to sell when the price is 28. And look at this incredible job. Look how clearly we determined all these levels. Congratulations. I hope you have the same situation as me. I sold approximately a half of my portfolio. I made my last video somewhere here because of I wanted to make it before the Federal Reserve performance, because I told you I have no clue what's going to happen. Probably we will see the decline, and look what happened. So exactly as I predicted. I'm very glad because of this, and more importantly, I told you about this. I warned you a lot of times in all of my previous videos. You can check it by scrolling my last 5 videos. I'm telling everywhere I'm gonna sell when the price is 28. I sold a half of my Bitcoin portfolio. That's very important. Only Bitcoin. The next important thing that during last, since this point, since the bottom, I made approximately 100%. Market made 81. I made 100 because of we made a lot of right decisions here. Long position, fix, buy again, long position. So we made a lot of right decisions. Because of this, I made 100%. And because of I fixed profit partly here, long positions here, I fixed literally a half of my portfolio. Now I'm talking about all of my portfolio because of all of the amount of stable coins in my portfolio, which is quite cool because literally all what I have right now is for free, and that's exactly what I wanted. That's exactly what I wanted to achieve. I'm very glad because of this. This situation right now is completely safe for me because whatever happened, I have a profit. That's what I was talking to you about. That's what I was trying to explain you. Now I have much more space to make right decisions. Whatever happened, I won. I win. That's important. So let's talk about the short-term prediction. Here is imbalance zone. That's the place where the price potentially can make a reversal. This yellow line is a neckline. This is our support, and the last support which you only can achieve, which is safe, is 24,300. If we go lower, that's all. Party is over. But I expect still higher prices. I think it's going to happen, and I cannot explain why. That's scary because if you cannot explain, you better change your strategy. But I still have a feeling like we will go higher because it's not enough. I cannot predict right now. I cannot draw it up like I usually do because of a lot of FUD. Today or yesterday, I'm not sure because I didn't sleep. We got all this FUD about the Binance. They invited CZ to the judgment and all this stuff. Just a few days ago, we got a FUD about the Justin Sun or Justin Scam, as people usually say, and all of the news about the Huobi. This is pretty fucked up. It's dangerous. I cannot make logical decisions in this case. This news, they on the top, which is pretty strange because usually on the top only good news. So that it makes me believe that probably it's not the end, but I'm not sure because we're still in the bear market. So even despite this local bull run, it's still more bearish movements than bullish because it's just a correction. At least that's how I identify it. So I cannot right now draw it up because it's dangerous. I can show you something like this, like here is imbalance, then we will go high and then lower again because we will create some bearish divergence on the MACD. Let's open daily time frame. Yeah, exactly, on the MACD, that looks pretty good. We will also have one more divergence on the RSI. So yeah, I could make it like this, but I'm not sure, usually when I show you, I can explain why I think, but right now it's just potential scenario and nothing more. Let me remind you, the main idea of selling here a half of my Bitcoin portfolio was because I wanted to make more money. I wanted to take a half of the profit and put them into altcoins. Let me explain. So if you look at the Bitcoin chart, you can clearly see that this current top is much more higher than the previous. It's much more higher, but at the same time, if you open whatever you can open on the crypto market, and if you look at the chart, you can clearly see that this top current up is much more lower than the previous. So I saw in the altcoin market big potential before this big decline which is coming. I want to remind you that it's not a bull market. I still think that we will see something like this. Something like this. It's gonna happen. Probably. I'm almost sure. So yeah, but I just wanted to make my money, or at least I wanted to buy these bitcoins again before potential next move up. I haven't bought any altcoins. I haven't bought any bitcoins again. I just sold, and now I mean market is going down, but I have a profit. So it makes me believe that we do something well. And I mean, if I buy, I will inform you. Of course, I will make a video probably as soon as possible. I couldn't make a video a few last few days because I was in a different country, and nothing important didn't happen. Otherwise, I would just take a phone and record video from TradingView on my phone. So you shouldn't care whatever happened. I will inform you. But basically, looking at this chart right now, it looks dangerous for me. We are growing up extremely logarithmically, if this word exists in English. That looks dangerous. I would prefer to accumulate some power. That's exactly what I expected. I told you we need to accumulate the power, and that's what's going on right now. But I cannot clearly predict next moment. For me, it looks like I'm just absorbing right now. If I see that bulls are getting more stronger and buyers are buying again, I'm gonna buy. But now I don't see any signs. That's why I'm just absorbing. And again, whatever happened, I have a profit because I fixed a half of my Bitcoin portfolio. I fixed a few of the altcoins because, like Aptos, I made a lot of profit in Aptos. I showed you in all of my previous videos. Let me show you. So basically, I bought here, the price was 4, sold when the price was 18, 17, 9, something like this. And then I took half of the profit and bought again when the price was 10. So whatever happened, I am completely satisfied. My portfolio right now is for free. I hope you have the same situation as me. That's what I wanted to show you, to explain you. Because of this, I can don't care. I'm calm, and whatever happened, I will only earn. So congratulations to you. I hope you have the same situation as me. Press thumbs up, subscribe to this video. I'm gonna make new video as soon as possible. See you.